Multiplying and dividing monomials. This is a beginning algebra lesson, and it ends with a really fun riddle for the students to solve. So it just starts out with a definition of what a monomial is and some examples, and then some examples of how to multiply. So once they get the examples, the students are then going to look at these 5 possible answers and they're going to drag and drop and move them to the correct problem. After they've done those, then they're going to do a few on their own where they just have to type in the answer when they multiply. And then a definition of how to, not a definition, but how to divide monomials, what that process is. Again, they're going to do some drag and drop, so they're going to simplify by dividing and click and hold, and then they can move the answer next to the problem. A few they're going to do on their own where they just type the answer. And then they're going to do multiplying and dividing, and this one's going to solve a riddle. So they're going to type in the answers to each one of these, some multiplication, some division. And on the final slide, then they're going to go back to those 2 slides and find these answers. When they find these answers, for example, 8a, there's going to be a letter next to that answer. And they're going to type in that letter, and it's going to solve the riddle, "Are monsters good at math?" So it's a good introductory lesson to multiplying and dividing monomials.